Deacon Hoover Real Estate is different because we care about the agents. We've been agents ourselves. We started it with the agent in mind.
They're great, especially when it comes to, answering phone calls. Sometimes you don't have that with other brokers.
Ian and Alex are a phone call away, and it's definitely more hands-on as far as getting advice from them, and definitely attribute a lot of my success to getting started with them.
You get that one-on-one, action, and that's the benefit, I think, is you still get the one-on-one from myself and from Ian, and you're going to get that support, and you're going to get those resources that we have available to us.
So Ian's always available. He'll do whatever I need for help, so I asked him to do one-on-one coaching. So we started doing that monthly.
I started with a bigger agency. It was just, you get a lot of nonsense where you can't get a hold of people. You go into a big office and you feel intimidated.
We're really investing in you as the agent. You tell us what you want to do and we'll show you how to do it with our experience, our knowledge. We teach you how to make sales calls. We teach you how to do the business. We teach you, how to make expired listed calls, for sale by owner calls. How to door knock if you want to, how to farm a neighborhood if you want to.
Adam's our social media guy. He is amazing. He's wonderful. I can shoot him an email. I can send him all my properties and anything. He'll advertise it. I get so much advertisement from him.
Our own in-house social media guy, he's going to basically help get you out on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. He's going to do all that for you. So basically, you spend time in your office with the phone, calling leads, generating appointments. Appointments eventually turn into listings. Listings turn into money. And that's what you need to focus on as an agent.
So there's a lot more, not just offering you resources, but really trying to get you to use them and telling you, what's out there to kind of support your business.
I just know my experience here has been so great. They've helped me grow my business tremendously. They've helped answer so many questions. Everybody's there to help you no matter what you need, whether it's someone to help you with your open house or no matter what you need, you have other people to rely on.
You're not going to get that type of training at, any other big name brokerage here in Pittsburgh. You just won't. And it's just like, it's a family atmosphere. It really is, especially when you get to know, Ian and Alex and some of the other agents here. So it's what I want.